Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Starling Bank Kite. Kids, review my usage experience. Starling Bank Kite, Kids, is a children's bank account designed to teach kids about managing money. Its main purpose is to provide a safe and educational way for children to learn about saving, spending, and budgeting. Key features likely include parental controls, a linked parent account, and possibly age-appropriate educational resources. Their website provides details on specific features and plans. Starling Bank Kite positions itself as a fun and engaging way to introduce financial literacy to children. They emphasize ease of use for both kids and parents, promising transparency with no hidden fees. The app-based interface is designed to be intuitive and child-friendly, encouraging kids to actively participate in managing their money. Availability is dependent on UK residency as it is a UK-based bank. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Starling Bank Kite. Setting up the account was a breeze. The online application process was straightforward, and linking it to my existing Starling account was simple. The interface is incredibly intuitive, even for my 8-year-old daughter. She loves using the app to track her savings and seeing her balance grow. The visual representation of her savings goal is particularly effective. We've been using it for a few months now, and it's been reliable and glitch-free. The parental controls give me complete peace of mind, allowing me to set spending limits and monitor activity. One minor drawback was the lack of a physical card for my daughter, though this is understandable given her age and the focus on digital literacy. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the visual savings goal tracker. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Starling Bank Kite. It's a fun and effective way to teach children about money management. That's my overview of Starling Bank Kite. Kids, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.